Hi, I'm Doug Gillespie from Hydropool Hot Tubs and Swim Spas. In this video, we're going to talk a little bit about what are the 6 main things to look for when buying a swim spa. First thing to look for is a good reputation of both the retailer and the manufacturer. Make sure they've been in business a while and make sure they have good customer service to back up your swim spa purchase. The second thing to look for is your swim experience. Make sure that it is adaptable to the level of swim that you have. Third thing, look for something that has a fun and fitness component to it. Maybe it has a boogie board for the fun for the kids or a fitness routine for the whole family. Make sure that it has those components in there. Fourth thing to look for, comfort, design, and massage. You know, it's all integrated into the whole experience of buying a swim spa. Make sure it's comfortable, make sure it has a great hydro massage experience after your workout. The fifth thing, and this is probably something that a lot of people don't really look at when buying a swim spa, make sure it's easy to maintain. The last thing you want to do is buy a headache. You want it to relieve headaches, not buy a headache. And then the last thing, make sure that it doesn't cost a lot of money to run. So make sure it's insulated well, make sure it's insulated for the 4 seasons that you're going to use the swim spa. So to summarize, make sure that you're looking for these 6 things when you're buying a swim spa. Number 1, reputation. Number 2, make sure it's the right swim experience for you and your family. Number 3, make sure it's fun and it has a fitness component to it. Number 4, it's got to be comfortable. It's definitely got to have a good design and a great massage. Number 5, make sure it's easy to maintain. And number 6, make sure it's energy efficient. Make sure it doesn't cost you a lot to run because you're going to want to run this thing 4 seasons. Thanks for joining me today with this video. Hopefully you have a better understanding of what are the main things to look for when buying a swim spa. I'll see you at the next video.